Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would put together 50 things to do while you're quarantined. Being honest, all I've been doing is playing Animal Crossing, but when I get bored of that, I'm definitely gonna need some other things to do. Also, if you haven't already, definitely go follow my Instagram. I do Insta polls, when I'm gonna post, all that stuff, updates on there. So if you haven't already, go do that. And one last thing before we get into the video, this video is sponsored by SOJOS Vision. I'll put the logo up here, but they gave me 4 amazing glasses that I want to show you guys. Now, I know you guys are all sitting in bed online shopping, so you definitely got to check them out. So I got 3 pairs of sunglasses and 1 pair of blue light glasses. And if you don't know what blue light glasses are, they are pretty much glasses that protect your eyes from electronic screens like TVs, computers, your phone. And this is perfect for me because I'm always on my phone, my computer, editing videos, all that stuff. So I use these glasses so much. Here's what they look like on. So these are the blue light glasses. They are so freaking cute. Like, I'm definitely gonna wear them as just like normal glasses too because I love them. But yeah, they protect your eyes from all the harmful rays that screens give off, so they're awesome. As for the sunglasses I got, I'll show you guys those. These ones are definitely my favorite. They're this pink tortoise shell. Oh my gosh, look at those. I love these. And these are also perfect for quarantine because I know everybody is just tanning outside because there's nothing else to do. So definitely go pick yourself up some really cute, stylish sunglasses. And then the third pair I got. These are super cool. I love these. These are like a brown tortoise shell. I love like big frame glasses. I think they're really like good on your face. So I got these. The last pair of glasses that I got are these Aviator glasses, and they're super lightweight. That's really cool to me because I don't like carrying glasses that are really heavy, especially like if you're going for a walk on the beach or something like that. I don't want to have like a pair of heavy glasses on my face or carrying them. So these are them. They have like this reflective front and I really like these. And these are also like a brown tortoise shell outer thing. So thank you so much to SOJOS Vision for sending me these glasses. I am obsessed with them and I'm definitely getting good use out of the blue light glasses right now while I'm editing videos and watching YouTube vids. So thank you so much again. Definitely go check them out. Everything is linked down below and I also have a coupon code. So I'll leave the code right here and you can get some money off your purchase if you choose to go buy some. So yeah, go check them out. Anyways, with all that being said, let's get on to the video. So here is 50 things that you can do while being quarantined at your house. Number 1, film TikToks. Number 2, clean your room. Number 3, self-tan or real tan. Number 4, play a board game. Number 5, do your homework. Number 6, read a book. Number 7, make up a dance. Number 8, sew. Number 9, go through your old clothes. Number 10, online shop. Number 11, work out. Number 12, learn how to do makeup. Number 13, clean out your phone. Number 14, stretch or do yoga. Number 15, make a fort. Number 16, color. Number 17, FaceTime friends. Number 18, paint your nails. Number 19, do a face mask. Number 20, bake something. 21, rearrange your room. 22, watch YouTube videos. 23, watch TikTok videos. 24, sleep. 25, watch Netflix. 26, write in a journal. 27, tie-dye clothes. 28, plan outfits. 29, wash makeup brushes. 30, learn new hairstyles. 31, paint. 32, take a bath. 33, meditate. 34, write a note to people you love. 35, listen to music. 36, learn to draw. 37, do a puzzle. 38, make a bucket list. 39, play a video game. 40, have a fake fashion show. 41, do a hair mask. 42, look for change around the house. 43, play with a pet. 44, make a goals list. 45, make a collage. 46, go through bathroom products. 47, learn about astrology. 48, start a garden. 49, make a dream journal. And 50, film a YouTube video. Well, I really hope you guys like this video. Hope it gives you guys some good ideas of what to do while you're in quarantine. I'm definitely going to be using a lot of these, and I hope everybody's staying safe, staying away from people 6 feet apart. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I love you guys so much, and see you guys next time. Bye.